Hello, Miss Whitney. I received your question about solve this system by substitution. We got two equations. We want to solve it. We got three options. I believe this one has an answer, and it's not a fraction involved in it. So what you got to do is pick one of the two equations and solve for either x or y. Probably the easiest thing to do is this top equation. The coefficient of y is a 1. Anytime you have a plus or minus 1 for a coefficient, that would be the easiest variable to solve for. So I'm going to solve this top equation for y. So the top equation is 5x minus y equals 2. I'll subtract 5x from both sides. And so minus y would equal 2 minus 5x, and then I'll multiply or divide everything by -1. And that'll give me y equals -2 plus 5x. And so what did I do here? I took this equation here, subtracted 5x, or took 5x to the other side and changed its sign. That's a -y, so I need to multiply or divide everything by -1 or change all the signs. Now I can take this and substitute it into the other equation, this bottom one, and find the value of x. So the bottom equation is 5x minus 2y equals 9. I want to replace y with what I just found. So it'll be 5x minus 2. What did I just find? Y to be -2 plus 5x. Okay, so what did I do here? I took this and substituted it in for y. Now I can solve this equation for x. I need to carefully distribute this -2. So that'd be 5x plus 4 minus 10x equals 9. I'll subtract 4 from both sides. Let's see, and I'll combine my constants here. My x's, 5x minus 10x will be a -5x equals 5. Divide both sides by -5, and we get a nice pretty answer here for x. We get x equal 1, -1. So that's not a fraction. Then you just come back and you find y. Come back here, I could substitute in -1 and I can get y. If I do that, it'd be y equals -2 plus 5 times -1. That comes out to what? -7. So the answer is -1, -7. And I hope this helps.